Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your keyboard language on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is you can just right click on your Windows icon here. So not left click but right click, and then click on settings here, and it's going to open the settings window, and here you need to click on the time and language setting. Okay, when time and language setting opens, you just need to click on language and region section, and it's going to open this language and region section. Right now, let me show you a few other ways of reaching to this point. One, by just right clicking on your Windows icon and then clicking on settings. But if this settings is not visible like this, what you can do, you can just click on the search icon and then search for settings app, and then click on settings from here. It's also going to open this kind of window. Or you can directly search for language settings from here. So just type few letters of language and you will see the system settings, and this is the language setting, which is also going to open this kind of window. Now here you will be able to see all the languages which are supported by your Windows 11 operating system. In my case, I only have English UK as my default language for my keyboard, as well as the display language here. In order to add a language, you just need to click on add a language, and from here you can search for language. So I want to add German language for my Windows 11 operating system, which is this one. I'm going to just click on this and then click on next. And then you have this optional language features option. By default, everything is selected. I will leave everything as selected things and uncheck this option, and then click on install. And it's going to add this language which you have selected. So even though it says pending, but when you see here, you will be able to see your default language, and then when you click here, you will be able to see the added language. In my case, it's German, and you can see this is the keyboard layout. So by clicking on this option, you can change your keyboard layout and switch between the keyboard layouts, right? So by default, my default keyboard layout is selected, but I can just switch it to German keyboard layout, and it will be German keyboard layout, and it will show up here which keyboard layout is currently selected, right? Let's test this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the virtual keyboard. So I'm going to just type few letters of keyboard, and it's going to open this app, which is the inbuilt app in Windows 11, which is called on-screen keyboard. And right now you can see, because it's German, I can see some letters of German. So this is the German letter keyboard, right? So as soon as I switch it to English keyboard, this keyboard layout changes, right? So you can switch between these keyboard in your physical computer also. So now I will be able to work with English keyboard also and the German keyboard also on my Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can add a keyboard language in your Windows 11 operating system.